and gentlemen, hello my business in Africa YouTube community. Hope you are all doing great anywhere you are, right? Today I'm here where they do tires. You might be wondering why I'm here, but I just want to talk about tire repairs business, okay? You know, this is a very good business in Africa because we've got second-handed vehicles and their tires break down like every second, okay? So this is a very good business. I just want to go into it right now and then we see everything that you need. So if you're watching me right now, if you're watching me anywhere in Africa, my name is Rufo Chifu. I'm the CEO founder of HR and Systems. And for a very long time now, I've been helping a lot of people and investors like you get started and open businesses in Africa. So let's talk about the tire business. And I'm right here in Douala today, right? Douala, Cameroon. So anything I'm going to do here should probably apply anywhere in Africa, okay? So if you're right new here, just make sure you click on the subscribe button. That's all what I want you to do. Before I go down into the 5 steps of how to start this kind of business, click on the subscribe button, like, share, and then you know what? Comment as well. Because I want to know which topics you want me to do next. So click on the comment button or click on the comment section and comment. Drop me a comment, let me know what you want me to cover next. But for the meantime, don't go anywhere because I'll be right back after the break. Hello guys, hello my business in Africa YouTube community. My name is Rufo Chifu and I have been having a lot of questions from investors like you asking me which African country should I invest in. I therefore decided to create this. I also decided to create this other tool right here. If you're an investor and you want to invest in Africa, then you need this tool. Click on the links in the description box below and download your own copy. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. You're watching the Business in Africa YouTube channel. And as I say, always click on the subscribe button. Now let's look at the 5 steps how to start this kind of business. The tire repairs business in Cameroon. Now, first of all, the reason why this kind of business is a very good business in Africa is because we've got a lot of second-hand vehicles here, right? I mean, everything we buy here is second-handed vehicles, second-handed tires, so they will break down at every point in time. If you're a car owner in Cameroon or if you're a car owner in Africa, you should know how to change tires already, right? Because that can happen anywhere you are. So my reason number 1, or the step number 1, not reason, I mean, the step number 1, if you want to do this kind of business is you need to first of all get proper training, right? This is something that anybody can do, like anybody. If you can just untie tires and you know the techniques how to change them, then you are good for this kind of business. All you need to do is just go somewhere like this where you can just get some kind of training, right? Just go to some workshop and you spend like maybe it will take like maximum a month for you to get training on how to change tires. I mean, you can see how the guys are doing it, the various techniques that they do to change tires, and you are good to go. Maximum 1 month, okay? And then number 2 thing that you need is a proper location. Now come, let me show you this. As you can see, this place is very quite close to the road, okay? So location is everything in this kind of business. You have to be very close to the road where when tires of cars get bad, they'll just come and park, and then of course you can just change them very quickly. Like, you need a small space like this as well. So when you see this kind of space where people can park so that you do the changing, you understand, and you are good to go, right? So location is point number 2. Now we are looking at point number 3. The third step in creating or in running this kind of business is that you need to legally register your business, right? There is no way you are going to do business in any part of Africa or in any country without actually registering them. That, like, creating your company, I mean, there are just so many forms. In Cameroon, I would advise that you go for a sole proprietorship for this kind of business. But it depends on the structure of your company or the structure of your investment. If you have very much or like high investment, you can create a company, depending on the number of shareholders you have and all of that. So step number 3, you need to register your business. And let me tell you something, if you want to set this kind of business up in any African country, we are here to help you guys. I just released these books about creating business in Africa, and you can find all the procedures, the timeline, you can find the estimated cost and everything in this book right here. You understand? So go on to Amazon Kindle and download that book, because It's a tool. It's not a book. That's how I call it. It's just a tool. Download it right now on Amazon Kindle. The links are in the description box below, and you're going to see all the procedures of creating any kind of business in all or every African country. Now, step number 4. Let's go to the equipment that you need, guys. Come on, let me show you that. So the fourth thing you have to put in place are the equipments. As you can see here, right here, there are 2 major equipments from what I gather here, and I'm going to tell you the price. That's a secret for watching my video. Now, this one behind me right here is called the compressor. That's the one that pumps the air into the tires, okay? And it depends on the size and depends on the capacity. But what I'm seeing right here, I think it's quite good for a start, right? And they just told me that this will cost about 1,500,000 francs CFA. That's about $3,000 US. They also said, because this is an old one, right? It's like a second-handed one, but which works just so perfectly, you understand? So if you want to get a new one, then fine, but just budget about 1.5 million francs CFA for this kind of compressor. Of course, there are also smaller ones, so you might start, depending on your capital, you might start small as well. Then this one is called the robot. This one right here. So this is another machine that you need, and it's very important because this is where you put the tires, and you can quickly just change them and insert new tires inside. So it's quite fast and easier and very, very simple to use this kind of machine to do tire change, you understand? So these 2 equipments are the most important equipment that you need in your tire repair shop. But of course, you have small tools like, you know, spanners. You know, there are also many other smaller tools that you need as well. I'm sure this will not cost much, right? So when it comes to equipment, total less than 5 million, you are up and running with this kind of business. And the point number 5 is that you just have to start marketing your business and start making the money. If it's a new business, I mean, there will be some marketing to be done. And I'll advise you, or advise anybody who wants to get this started, start using digital marketing. With your Android phone, just take pictures, take videos, short videos and good pictures, and create your page on Facebook, create your page on Instagram, share on your WhatsApp status, share to your WhatsApp contacts, and just let them know that you started that kind of business, okay? You can also do some prints, like you can print flyers and then you distribute them. All your friends, all your families, they have to be the first people to patronize your business. And another trick here, you can also add the mobile wing to your business, you understand? So when people get so anywhere people get a breakdown, they can just call you and then you send a team to them. Of course, you just send a team to them and then they go change it there and then come back to your place. That's another way of getting customers real quick. So there you have it, guys. Those were the 5 steps how to get started with a tire repair business in Cameroon, Douala, and of course anywhere in Africa. If you're new to this channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button right now, and also drop me a comment to let me know you're around, and also let me know which kind of topics you want me to talk about in my subsequent videos. Thank you for watching, guys, and you know what, I'll be right back in another video. Thank you for watching. One love, Africa. Bye bye.